Hi everybody, this is Aarti from Only Paitani, and yeah, we are back after a long time. The situation all across the country was really sad, and we really did have the heart to come online and show you the new sarees that we have been making. Things seem to be getting slightly better in most of the places, if not all, and we thought that. We can just come back up and show you a few new things that we have ready. I hope you all have been staying safe and healthy and have been taking care of yourself, because that's the most important thing at this time at this time. So let me start you off today with some of the new silk sarees, silk patterns that we have. The first one we have is a beautiful peacock blue with parrot green borders, very classic combination, and the Hazar Buta kind of sari, where the Buta is all through small, medium-sized Butas, very tiny and elegant, and a beautiful two-tone shade of peacock blue, and this is the pallu. A very really nice vibrant shade, beautiful to pair it off with your gold jewelry. The next we have is a really lovely purple, again in two tone, and very traditional like greenish or a moss green border. This one has larger butas, looks much more grand because of the butas, and again a traditional pallu in this one. A really beautiful pretty shade which I'm sure will suit everybody, and a perfect wear for a day or a night function. Another one we have is a beautiful midnight blue, and this one has the Sona Rupa Bhutas. So if you see, the Bhutas are in gold and silver alternating. The border is in gold, but the gold and silver on the midnight blue body really makes the sari very, very unique. No contrast borders, and just the gold of the border showing up on this particular sari. This is the pallu. A pretty tissue base and peacocks woven on it. You can pair this with either this comes with all the saris come with running blouse, but this one you can definitely pair with something in contrast. A beautiful bright red or something will really look nice. Next we have here is a beautiful wine color, very rich wine color, and again butas all over the sari, and that's the pallu. You'll find all these saris online very soon. We already have a good collection online for you to purchase. These ones will also be available online very, very soon. And you can always reach us on our WhatsApp, or you can DM us. So the exclusive something that I was talking about is this one. A very beautiful black munya border pattern, silver borders, beautifully woven munyas all along the border. perfect munias if you see, like the green body of the parrot and the red beak. And if you see the pallu here, it's really exquisite. This is the very old Ashavali pallu, and if you see that the motifs are really woven very intricately. Very small thin motifs, beautiful tiny flowers on either side. And with the shading in the flowers as well, if you see the pink and the red tips, and here the yellow with the red tips. The buttas are polka dots on this one. Really bring out the beauty of the saree, but this is the statement pallu which really takes it all. And black with silver is always a classic, so yeah, you can't really go wrong with this one. We just have one piece available because this one like takes at least 2.5-3 months to make one saree. The last one for today we have is a pista green paitani with silver borders. It's more of a mint green. Another, it's beautiful shade. Again, lovely munia motifs all along the border. Both side borders is in tissue silver, and here's another beautiful pallu. A statement pallu again, like really rich and vibrant colors going all around on a beautiful silver tissue base. And this is how the saree would look like. That's all for today, and you can reach out to us on WhatsApp on 9833767750, and we will get back to you immediately. Our Bangalore store is still shut, but we are managing all the deliveries almost on time. A bit delay in some of the deliveries, but most of them are going out pretty much smoothly. So you don't need to worry about the deliveries. We are managing them on time. The website is operational, so you can order online. If you want some assistance in buying, you can always reach out to us, DM us, WhatsApp us. Our numbers are given here, and please stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.